Dio gets grounded! Dio, aren't you grounded for dancing naked in school? Hey, you can't tell me what to do. I'm not grounded. You're not the best of me. Actually, I am! Well, let's see what you're gonna get. Huh? Ooh. Ah! Huh? What was that noise? Dio, did you kill your own dad with a ceiling fan? Yes. Dio, how dare you kill your dad with a ceiling fan? Did you know that you could have gotten arrested and gotten a death penalty for doing stuff like that? That's it. You are grounded for 5, 2, 9, 2, 4, 3, 3 decades. Go to your room now. Bonus. Sexy. Sexy. The end.